with your image. I'm going to use this one. That's the one I used on the cup. And for some reason, this is an SVG file, so I'm going to ungroup this. I'm going to pull one away and just get rid of it. And then I'm going to select all of those, and I am going to weld. Once I have that welded, I am going to click on it again. I'm going to go up here to the offset, and it normally automatically does 0.25. So just go up here and highlight this and then type in 0.05. That's the outline I like. You can make it smaller or bigger, whatever you want. Apply, and that's going to give us our outline. But if you move your top layer, it is just going to give you a solid butterfly that's a little bit bigger than your top butterfly. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to select all of it, and then we're going to slice it. Once that is sliced, we're going to move our purple out of the way, and we're going to move this one, which is going to give us our outline, and I missed one. So you may have to just juggle a little bit and fix things as they happen, and then line it up to make sure that's what you like, and you have it, and there you have it. When you go to cut it out, it will give you just the outline. It'll cut the middle out for you and fit right around your original decal. So there you have it. If you have any questions, let me know and I will try to help.